to the servants, after he came and he said, you know, the people are like everyone. And the master said to the servants, go out to the highways and to the hedges and compel them to come in. Compel means force them. Use force. Yeah. Make it necessary. You see, he's now saying, he didn't say it before. But he said, when you look at the spirit, he said, hey, no, those flat man. Yeah. Because you know what Jesus said? Jesus said that the way that leads to life is narrow and the road is small. And then Jesus said, and it is few who find it. There's a lot of people going to hell. Yeah, a lot of people going to hell. And one of the reasons why people are going to hell is because Christians have attitude of the side. It's fine. I've done my work. Tell me, ask me, have you done your work yet? Have you done what you could do for God yet? Huh? Nou, als je van één keer gaat, één keer draaien, you see this sounds outrageous. Because people are excuses. To make an excuse, and he said, and being, imagine if the poor and the cripple and the blind was together, maar wie gaat je daar achter is? Wie? Met, elke zin met waar komt het terug? Met een vee. And in all these common places here, we must go there. We want people who show them Mr. Price, our pastors and rules of God. We want people who go to the actors account, the exec account. You want people who look like you. But Jesus said, go and find the poor. Go and find the cripple and bring those people back. Put the hands up in the community. But he's forcing people to help them. No. Bring those people. And you know what? Those people are some of the only people that will listen to you.
Yes, sir.
They're the only people that will listen to you. So we want to win people who are pastors and nice ones, but they say, there's tiny voices.